went to the Afro shop and just got this here, and is it not nice? You have 5 pieces inside, and it was just 24 euros, or let me see, $25. Yeah, as you can see, it's here, 25 euros or $25 for 5 pieces of hair. And it's available in variety of pre-dyed colors, and that make you can mix and match and create your own finished look. And on this side you could see the closer is also in it, so you have them in different sizes, and so yeah, you can do it. So I'm going to start with doing the hair, and then you'll see the result afterwards. Hello and welcome to another video. As you can see on the table, I have a scissors and some hair and needle and also my thread. So as you can tell, I am making a wig, and this is a surprise for my mom. My mom, she really loves this color. Yeah, and so I thought of making her one and send it to her. So I already bought a wig cap that is already finished braided. So all we need to do is to sew it on, or yeah, sewing is better. And as you can see, ta-da! I'm using a drum because I did not like the heads that they are selling. The eyes, they look so creepy and so scary, so I didn't get to buy one. But in the future I will, because I'll be making more wigs of my own. So this is the kind of rust walnut color, and with a little black in it at the end. This one shows better. Just an ombre wig. My alarm went off in the middle of the video. Anyway, as I said, I will show you then the result after I finish do the hair. Okay, see you soon. Finally finished. So now I'm going to try it on and see how it looks on me. Then I will know how it looks on my mom. Yay, my first wig. Yoo-hoo. First from more to come. So I made it. I'm so happy it came out nice. Well, yeah, look out for more wigs. Okay guys, see you in our next video. Maybe another wig, a crochet braids, or something like that. Okay, bye. So excited.